Accelo tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video on how to use Accelo. Accelo's all-in-one platform offers a range of features to help businesses of all sizes stay organized and efficient. Some of the key features include project management, CRM, time tracking, invoicing, and more. With Accelo, you can bring all your business processes into one place and have a centralized view of all your operations. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of Accelo for beginners. We will show you how to create an account, provide an overview of its features and functionalities. Additionally, we will demonstrate how to send emails and add contacts in Accelo. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Accelo, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Try Free button located at the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. This action will redirect you to the registration form. Accelo offers 3 different options for setting up a new account. You can choose to register using your work email, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. Pick the option that's most convenient and suitable for your needs. Once you choose your registration method, you'll be asked to fill in additional details such as your business name, account name, industry, number of employees, full name, and phone number. This information is important for tailoring your Accelo experience to your business needs. After you've provided all the necessary details, click on the Submit button. You'll be directed to your Accelo account dashboard. The Accelo dashboard serves as your command center, giving you access to all the essential features. On the left side, you'll find the main menu comprised of various tabs, each serving a specific function. Under the Companies tab, you can efficiently manage all aspects related to companies, including their information, contacts, and other essential details. This tab also provides you with convenient quick links that allow for seamless navigation within the platform. Moving on to the Sales tab, you have the power to handle all your sales-related activities effortlessly. From managing quotes to handling sales processes, this tab offers a comprehensive solution. Additionally, you can leverage the quick links available here to quickly access frequently used features, making your sales workflow even more efficient. In the Projects tab, you can effortlessly handle all the intricate details of your projects, including tracking milestones, assigning tasks, and monitoring progress. The tab also provides you with quick links that enable you to swiftly navigate between different project-related features. The Tickets tab allows you to manage support tickets, while the Retainers tab aids in handling and tracking client retainers efficiently. To simplify menu navigation, the Collapse tab comes to your aid. By collapsing or expanding the menu, you can customize your view, ensuring a clutter-free and organized workspace. Additionally, if you ever need immediate assistance or have any queries, the Help tab is just a click away. It opens up the live chat feature, connecting you with their support team in real time. Accelo values your feedback and strives to continuously improve the platform. That's why we have a dedicated feedback tab where you can easily share your thoughts, suggestions, and ideas. Your input is crucial in making Accelo better for you and our entire user community. The Settings tab is a central hub that grants you access to all the necessary settings, allowing you to personalize your Accelo experience to your liking. Here, you can customize various aspects of the platform, tailoring it to meet your specific requirements and preferences. In addition to the comprehensive left menu, there are additional features conveniently located on the top right side of the dashboard. By clicking on the plus button, you unlock a world of possibilities. This versatile feature enables you to effortlessly create notes, emails, meetings, tasks, companies, contacts, sales opportunities, projects, tickets, and much more. With a few clicks, you can seamlessly manage and organize your workflow with ease. One of the standout features is the Time functionality. With this tool, you have the power to create timers, show or hide them as needed, log time spent on various activities, and efficiently manage your timesheets on either a daily or weekly basis. This feature empowers you to keep track of your valuable time and ensure optimal productivity. The Task feature serves as a comprehensive task management tool. It allows you to create new tasks, efficiently manage open tasks, and effortlessly stay up to date with the status of assigned tasks. With this intuitive feature, you can streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. The inbox feature provides quick and easy access to your inbox and request inboxes, ensuring that you stay connected and informed. With just a click, you can effortlessly navigate to your messages and handle any requests or inquiries promptly and efficiently. Lastly, the profile section is where you can take full control of your account. From managing your preferences and notifications to accessing your activity dashboard and work dashboard, this section acts as a central hub for all your account-related needs. With these comprehensive features and intuitive design, Accelo empowers you to take full control of your workflow, enhance productivity, and achieve your goals with ease. Now, let's see how to send emails in Accelo. Accelo offers a centralized platform to handle all your communication needs, including sending emails. The ability to send emails directly within Accelo's comprehensive platform enhances productivity and ensures smooth, uninterrupted workflow. This feature allows you to remain connected, share important information, and correspond with team members or clients without the need to switch between different platforms or software. To send an email in Accelo, you start by clicking on the plus button located at the top right side of the dashboard. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu with various options appears. From these options, select Email. Once you click on Email, a pop-up window will appear on your screen where you will need to provide the necessary information for your email. The To field is where you enter the recipient's email address. This could be a team member, a client, or any other contact you've added to Accelo. The Against field provides you the opportunity to search for and associate an object with your email. This could be a project, a ticket, or a sales opportunity, for example. Associating an object with your email allows for better organization and easy retrieval of correspondence related to a particular object. The Subject field is where you write the subject of your email, a summary that helps the recipient understand the purpose or context of your message. In the Your Message field, compose the main body of your email. Here you can provide detailed information, ask questions, or convey any important points. Accelo allows you to format your text, change font size and color, and even include links to provide a rich and engaging email experience. Accelo also gives you the ability to attach files to your emails. This can be useful to share documents, images, or any other files relevant to your correspondence. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and attached any required files, you can send your email with the confidence that it will be properly logged and organized within Accelo's robust system. Through this integrated email feature, Accelo ensures that no communication slips through the cracks, fostering a convenient, efficient, and productive work environment. Now, let's see how to add a new contact in Accelo. Accelo, a service operations automation platform, streamlines business processes and enhances productivity by offering various features. One of these features is the ability to add and manage contacts effectively. This is particularly useful because it allows businesses to maintain an organized database of all their clients, prospects, partners, or any other contacts. This centralized system makes it easy to retrieve contact information when needed, ensuring efficient communication and service delivery. Adding a new contact in Accelo is quite straightforward. Start by clicking on the plus button located at the top right side of the dashboard. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this list, select Contact. Upon selecting Contact, a pop-up window will appear on your screen, prompting you to provide the required contact information. This includes the contact's title, first name, last name, email address, position in their respective company, phone number, status, tags, comments, and address. Each of these fields must be filled out accurately to ensure easy and efficient retrieval of the contact's information in the future. The title, first name, and last name fields are pretty self-explanatory. The email address is important for electronic communication, while the contact's position and company provide contextual information about their professional background. The phone number is another critical contact point, and the status field can be used to track the contact's current interaction stage with your company. Tags are useful for categorizing contacts, while the comments section can be used to note down any specific details or observations about the contact. Lastly, the address field is the contact's physical location. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, click on the Save button. With that, you have successfully added a new contact in Accelo. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Accelo. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.